Hey everyone, just a really quick update regarding the last giveaway, which was for the Casio Royale case and bracelet mod from SKXmod. And just in case you never saw that video or you're new to the channel, go check that out. This is a really cool mod if you're a Casio Royale fan. Now, some of you may have already seen the community post where I announced the winners, and the reason I'm doing this video is because I still haven't heard from 2 of the winners. I'm not sure if it's them or if YouTube is just acting up. Either way, I thought I'd make a quick video just re-announcing the winners. Now in first place, we have RemoteCon 1980. Coming in second, we have Mickey. In third place, we have John Givens. And in fourth, we have Brian O. And in particular, it's Mickey and John Givens I haven't heard back from. So if you happen to know them, just say, hey, we won something. Go talk to Relative Time. And as long as we're here, I might as well go over what prizes are left. Now, once again, this was for a mod kit from SKXmod for the Casio Royale. Includes a nice case as well as bracelet that really take the Royale up a notch. The silver case with the black bezel has already been claimed, as well as the silver bracelet. But the standard classic silver case is still left, as well as the standard classic black, as well as the rose gold case, which is complete with a rose gold bracelet. And that's for someone who really wants to make a statement with the Royale. For myself, I decided to use this black case with gold highlights. And I've been enjoying my time with it so much that I actually wound up selling my square G-Shock. But like I said, if you're new to the channel or you happen to miss the video, go check it out. It is worth it. Otherwise, I just wanted to make one last attempt at getting a hold of the winners, because if I don't hear back from them in somewhat of a timely fashion, I'll have to move on to someone else. Don't want to, but eventually I'll have to. Anyway, that's all I got. Once again, a big thank you to everyone who's joined the contest, and stay tuned for the next review.